As a result, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be available to the general public on February 17th. However, some individuals have already obtained access to the phone and have conducted experiments that provide spectacular findings. Due to its outstanding features, Samsung's Galaxy S23 series of smartphones is causing quite a stir in the market. Early benchmarks reveal that the phones have made a substantial improvement in graphics performance, and additional leaks indicate improved cooling, which will allow the smartphones to function more smoothly and effectively. 8K video capture is now possible, and the battery life is believed to be excellent, rivaling that of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The previous flagship, the Galaxy S22 Ultra, was a fantastic phone in its own right, but it couldn't compete with the battery life of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, on the other hand, seems to have solved this problem, with sources claiming that its battery performance is on pace with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, although lacking a battery capacity increase from 5,000 mAh. This was accomplished by optimization and the use of an overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which provides more performance than the normal SoC. The whole Galaxy S23 series is powered by the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, obviating the need for a separate market for Exynos and Qualcomm. Due to their bigger batteries, 200 mAh more than the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, respectively, the basic Galaxy S23 and Plus devices may have improved battery life. In conclusion, with its amazing graphics performance, improved cooling, 8K video capture, and exceptional battery life, the Galaxy S23 series is shaping up to be a terrific smartphone lineup. It is a significant improvement over its predecessor and potentially compete with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Finally, what do you think about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.